Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to talk about and concerning video about is G2G safe to buy from, G2G review, and is it legit or scam. So it will be a quick tutorial for you guys. I will talk about pros and cons, and also I will give you some safety tips throughout the video. So I will request you watch the video till the end. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, G2G.com is a prominent online marketplace for gaming related digital goods, including in-game items, accounts, currency, and boosting service. As of 2025, it's operates legitimately, but with notable caveats that potential buyers should consider. So if I talk about the pros, then I need to mention it that established platform. G2G has been operating for several years and facilitating transactions between buyers and sellers worldwide. Then they have wide selection. The platform offers a vast array of gaming products across numerous titles, providing options for various gaming needs. Also, seller rating system. Buyers can review sellers' rating and feedback, aiding in making informed purchasing decisions. Also, after talking about the pros, it also has some cons. Let's discuss about this, like risk of account recovery scams. Some users have reportedly instances where purchase accounts were reclaimed by the original owners after the sale, leading to loss of access and funds. This is the concerning. Then again, that will be inconsistent buyer protection. While G2G offers a buyer protection program, enforcement can be inconsistent. There are reports of buyers not receiving adequate support or refunds when issues arise. And next will be mixed customer reviews. Feedback varies, with some users praising successful transactions while others highlight negative experience, particularly concerning refunds and customer service. So I hope you understand the pros and cons. And last, I want to give you some safety tip for buyers. Research sellers. Always check seller rating and reviews before making a purchase, and then use secure payment method optional for payment option that offer buyer protection, and avoid off-platform transaction. It is must be like conduct all communication and transaction within the G2G platform to ensure eligibility for buyer protection. And then be cautious with account purchase. Understand the risks associated with buying game accounts, including potential recovery by original owners. I hope you understand what I really mean to you. And if I talk about the conclusion, then I will definitely say G2G.com is a legitimate marketplace with a broad section of gaming products. However, potential buyers should exercise caution due to reported risks, particularly concerning account purchases and inconsistent buyer protection. By thoroughly researching seller and adhering to safety guidelines, user can mitigate potential issues. I hope you understand. Is it really scam or legitimate? After watching this video, I think you already know lots of things about G2G. I hope you love this video. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for new videos. Till then, have a good day.